Hey guys, I'm back with another toy review. Today I'm going to review Banpresto's Monster X. Oh, hang on, it's not Banpresto at all. This is really a Bandai figure, 8 inches tall, if you count the horn at the very tip. Of course, this is one of the few Monster X figures that are this size. In fact, most Monster X figures are this size. There are very few that are 6 inches. So the tail moves around like that. Feet, not so much. The legs just move this far. The head, kind of, but I don't want to force it. Look at all that nice detail. He looks pretty much bony. Almost reminds me of the Grim Reaper. Mixed with an alien, mixed with the Xenomorph. And a little bit of the Predator, actually. Now, my favorite feature on this guy are his claws, and he's one of the few kaiju that have 5 fingers. No joke. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the claws on his feet. They are carefully molded in. Oh, and if you look carefully, there's his teeth. Oh, and I also like the detail in his eyes. Now, size comparison. Godzilla, pretty good. Final Wars Anguirus, not too bad. His partner in crime, Gigan. I just realized Gigan's a bit taller. And Fire Rodan. Okay. Now, for a pretty, well, uncommon figure, not super rare, but he's just uncommon, I recommend it. I'm not sure if there are many left on eBay or anywhere else.